Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you this makeup look. As you can see, it's a very beautiful easy makeup look with a simple red lip and a very simple smoky eye. So if you want to watch this video and if you want to watch this makeup look with every details, then please stay tuned with me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. You will be notified every single time whenever I upload any video. So first I am using a serum on my face which is from Mcaffeine, and it's an amazing green tea serum which makes my skin like an amazing glass effect, and it's a very beautiful nourishing moisturizing serum. Then I'm using my Nivea lip balm. It's a beautiful lip balm. So now I am straight off to my foundation. So for foundation I'm using the Fit Me foundation in the shade 230. It's a perfect match for my skin, and I'm gonna just do that on my face and let's see. So I need a little bit extra now, so I'm just gonna dab on the places where I need the extra foundation. So then I'm gonna blend it with my brush. So now I'm gonna clean my eyebrows, which I just do a little mess up thing. I'm gonna clean it with my same foundation, and with a very precise brush I'm gonna clean the eyebrows. Then I'm gonna blend it with a pack brush, which is a very beautiful brush which helps to blend it very beautifully. It's a concealer brush. Then I'm gonna use my Fit Me concealer. It's in the shade medium. So I'm gonna use on the places where I have my pigmentations. So then I'm gonna blend it with the same brush. So now I'm using my Maybelline, this is what it is, like it's a age rewind concealer. So I'm just using that and blending it with my same brush, and it's in the shade light. So now again I'm gonna use my loose powder, which is from Fit Me, and it's in the light medium, and I'm gonna use it with a pointed kind of a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna place it on my places where usually I got oiliness. A stippling brush, which is a very big stippling brush, and I'm gonna stipple it all over my face and use this powder all over it. Now I'm gonna use my brow kit from Miss Claire, and I'm gonna use a beautiful brown taupey kind of color, and gonna use it on my brows and just get it a little precise. So now I'm gonna use it a concealer, which is again from the same concealer, which is the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and gonna blend it on my eyelid. So now I'm going to set it with my eyeshadow, which is a beige eyeshadow, and it is from Imagic. And now I'm gonna use a beautiful transition color which has that corally effect in it, and it's a very warm brown color. I'm gonna blend it all over my crease. So now I'm going to use my gel liner with a beautiful fine eyeliner brush, and I'm gonna draw a beautiful wing line. I'm gonna smoke it up with a black eyeshadow and with the angled brush. I'm just gonna smoke it out with the brush and it will look very seamless after that. So I'm gonna do this step on the both of my eyes, and yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna use a corally dark brown color with a pencil brush, and I'm gonna blend it on the over of my black eyeshadow, which I just blended on my eyeliner. So I'm gonna do this step on both of my eyes. I'm gonna do my lower lash line as well as with the same brown color. And with the help of the same brush. Now I'm gonna curl my eyelash with the eyelash curler. Then I'm going to use my mascara, which is from the Total Temptation from Maybelline. And this mascara, guys, it's amazing. It just lifts up my lashes like no one ever can, and it looks literally the natural one. It looks very beautiful on my eyelashes. Now I'm moving on to my contouring. I'm gonna contour my face. And now I'm gonna contour my nose as well. Now I'm gonna blush it up my face with Nika blush. It's the Cali Chick blush and I love it so much. So now I'm gonna use the Maybelline Mascara Molten Gold highlighter, and it's an amazing balm highlighter, guys, trust me. I'm gonna use it with a fan brush. Now I'm gonna using a pencil brush. This one is from PAC and it's an amazing pencil brush and good for blending my highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes and the top of my nose. So now for my lips, I'm gonna use two lipsticks, and which is from MAC and L'Oreal, and in the shade I think that is the I don't know, guys. I'm gonna definitely give you that in the description down below. So now I'm gonna just blend this two together, and now I'm gonna just put my eyelash on, and this is the final look, guys, with the eyelashes, and it is looking absolutely bomb. And I love this makeup look. It is so pretty and very beautiful, good for every occasion, and it's just so pretty. I can't tell you how good it is, and I was feeling so confident with this makeup look, and yeah, that's just it. And I just make a lot of molds on my face and I love it. The video, guys. If you guys enjoy this, then please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon